Okay, so as discussed in the previous video, intuition video, dictionary is a collection of key value pairs where each key is unique. Okay, so there cannot be two similar keys in the key value pair. Values may or may not be same, however keys will be unique. Okay, and dictionaries are unordered. Now what is that unordered means? It means that items have no index and they do not store the item in a particular order. So it can be in a random order, not like list we have index and everything, but they are stored in a key value pair for sure. And only difference is, as I mentioned you, that it is the only difference between they're similar to list or arrays in other programming language, but only difference is instead of indexes to access the item, the dictionary uses keys to access the items. We'll see that. Now let's see how we can create a dictionary. So the creating an empty dictionary. Okay, so my dict. So this is the empty dictionary. So this is the key. This is the symbol. This is how we can create a dictionary empty. Now you might get confused when I will tell you this can also be even, and I'll tell you set also use this same symbol, but we'll see that when we see the set we'll clearly distinguish between dictionary and set. So let's define a dictionary with certain values. Okay, so creating a dictionary with initial values. Okay, so my dict equals to, so this name and this is the value. So whatever you will type this side of colon is called, first we assign key. So and then for example I want to create a key called name and I want to assign a value called Bhanu. Okay, so then I have to write in this way. If you change the order, right, so then the Bhanu will become a key and the name will become a value. So always remember key values. This is how we this is how we define the values. Let's say I have then age, then I have the city. Okay, so strings are, let's say this is my dict. Okay, and we'll try to print my dict. You see, this is how we can create a dictionary. Okay, so there is another way we can do that. So there is another way. We can also creating a dictionary using the dict constructor. Okay, so let's say my dict again equals to dict, and then we'll create name equal to, let's say, John. Let's say I'll give age equals to, let's say, 25, and then I can create city equals to, let's say, London. Okay, then while I print my dict, you see this dictionary is getting created. So there are many ways we can create a dictionary. Okay, that's all for this video. In the next video we'll see how we can modify or delete item in a dictionary. See you in the next video.